Hey music makers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinex and you're welcome to Coinex the producer. If you've ever wanted to make your voice sound like it is coming from a walkie-talkie, old radio, or even a spy transmission, today's plugin is for you. Be checking out Codec by Lese. And guess what? This plugin is totally free. In this video, I will show you exactly what it does, how to use it, and how you can turn clean vocals into gritty low bitrate magic. So with that being said, let's get into it. So first up, let's find out what this plugin is all about. Codec is not your everyday compressor or EQ. It is based on a real speech codec originally designed for low bandwidth voice communication like military radio and ham radios. I know you might be wondering, okay, what can we use this for? This can be handy when you make content for games or you want certain effects in your mix, things like that. So instead of just compressing your audio, this plugin reconstructs it using only 1300 beats per second. That is like squeezing sound through a straw. So for the results, you will get that old school, gritty, robotic telephone-like tone. And that's exactly what this plugin is made for. So at this point, if this is not the type of thing you need, it's okay, you can skip. I'm going to have a quick before and after using my voice with this plugin. So here is the dry vocal. Testing. This is a normal clean voice recording. Alright, now I'm going to engage codec. Testing. This is a normal clean voice recording. Testing. This is a normal clean voice recording. Testing. This is a normal clean voice recording. Testing. I believe you had it, right? Now, this can also be used on drum loops, synths, even entire mix, depending on what you are trying to achieve. And sometimes you can decide to do something crazy with your entire mix depending on the type of music you are producing. So I see it to be a plugin that is worth having around. You never can tell when you might need an effect like that. Alright, and considering the fact that it is free, so I felt like to bring it out here so that you guys can check it out. From the demonstration, it's got that radio interview vibe or emergency broadcast system kind of feel. So how does this plugin work? This plugin is super simple, and here is the breakdown. In codec mode, it will choose different bitrate compression style. That is where you get all gritty in unique ways, okay? And now the wet and the dry mix helps you to blend the lo-fi sound with the original. Now this feature here, which is the noise, now brings in that static or interference kind of sound for realism. Here is the thing, even if you don't understand the science, the concept here is to just tweak the sound till you get exactly what you're going for. Alright, let me quickly try a practical use case to fully show you practical examples of codec to, let's say we want to add a lo-fi character to a trap intros or a kind of trap beat. So let's see how we can achieve that with this plugin. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more free plugin finds, and drop a comment. What's the craziest way you would use Codec to? Let us know in the comments. And as always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.